front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this Sony. Start by going into settings and choosing privacy over here. Then you need to click on app permissions and select one of your device's features, like microphone. Then tap on one of your apps like messages and select one of those options. Allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so now I need to click on don't allow anyway in the pop-up, and as you can see, now when I go back, my Google app no longer has access to this device's microphone, but you can always click on any feature and then app that you are interested in, like in my case before were messages. Then click on see all messages permissions and manage all of them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!